We're delighted to be able to host the Muslim and Arts and Culture Festival here at Bolton School. The boys have been introduced to a wide variety.
Today we've absolutely loved having MACFEST and their artists visit us to deliver workshops for our boys to celebrate Muslim art and culture in order to be able to celebrate inclusively a diverse range of artists, techniques and Muslim culture. It's been an absolutely superb day and the feedback from the boys has been amazing, and it's certainly something we would wish to continue.
Thank you. 3, 2, 1. Can I have a picture?
Hello, today is Bolton School's first ever MACFEST Day. So in celebration of the Muslim Arts and Culture Festival, we've had a number of artist workshops taking place with our Key Stage 3 students. So we've had calligraphy workshops and silk painting workshops with artists Aisha Yilmaz and Farzana Patel. Our students have produced fantastic pieces of art, so they've done things like the Bismillah Rose, they've looked at the significance of these art forms in the Islamic faith, and they've also explored silk painting, looking at various different motifs and using lots of different equipment to create such beautiful pieces of art that they haven't had the opportunity to uptake previously. So we are really looking forward to continuing celebrating MACFEST Day moving forward, and today we also have a number of different author workshops taking place to celebrate cultural heritage as well.
Hello, I'm Farzana Patel. I'm doing Arabic calligraphy here today at the Bolton Boys School. We've had a good 2 sessions this morning and I think everyone's been very engaged. It's been really good working with MACFEST, another great event delivered.
So today's been such a privilege and an honour to be working at Bolton School because I'm a local Bolton artist. My son came to this school. I was so excited to do my first MACFEST workshop here. Today I did silk painting and the boys did absolutely amazing with the time limits that they had. They produced amazing work. I hope I'll be coming back here next year as well. And also I noticed that the boys' manners were amazing. They were so polite and they were such a nice group to work with.